Let me introduce Zapable, how to build an instant mobile app in less than 60 seconds. With over 300 customer reviews and people selling apps like crazy, it's easy to see why this is one of the fastest growing opportunities in 2021. So let's take you into the world of Zapable and show you how easy it really is in 3 simple steps. Step 1. You simply log in, scroll down and pick your favorite template and select your preferred layout, and boom, you're ready to build. Step 2. Now it's time to add your features. With over 30 amazing options available, you simply point and click your way to an amazing app. Let's say you want to build an app for a huge booming market right now, online coaching. Just select the coaching template, click the link, you can add your appointment calendar to book calls, link to your Zoom calls, have an About Us section, integrate all your social profiles, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, share free lead generation courses, and you can make special announcements by sending push notifications directly to their mobile, where the open and click rates are 90% more effective than email. But it gets better. With our new instant mobile app technology, there's no need for the app stores. You can set up a simple QR code like shown, and boom, your app instantly loads on a user's phone by harnessing the Zapable power of progressive web app technology. And yes, we still offer Apple and Android submission if you desire. Which leads us to our next amazing feature, Zap Digital. With Zap Digital, we integrate into all your favorite shopping carts like JVZoo, ClickBank, ThriveCart, Pay Kickstart, and so many more, so you can sell your own instant digital products. This means you can sell all your digital contents, videos, PDFs, and training in-app behind a protected members area. And with mobile app content usage growing and desktop declining, this is a very important feature. And on that note, what's better than selling one-off digital products? Membership sites. Zap Digital also allows integration with major membership providers such as Wishlist, MemberMouse, Kajabi, and many more. Sell your paid content behind closed doors with your own instant mobile app, and you don't have to pay Apple 30% of your revenues. This truly is the next evolution of selling membership. Zapable is truly flexible to build apps for nearly any type of business. Online coaches, realtors, restaurants, fitness, personal trainers, and many more. One Zapable user built a mobile app for his online fitness business, Zeus Fitness, which has over 169,000 YouTube subscribers. The app has thousands of visitors every single week, and they've sold over 10,000 products in their opening week by using the app. In fact, listen to this real-life Zapable customer.
I just want to say a massive thank you to Zapable. Through Zapable, I've got an incredible new mobile app for my business. It's enabled me to reach an even bigger audience and give users easy access to all my online content. Subscribers and customers can now access my workouts with ease. They can check out all my merchandise and all of my paid programs and courses. I've been able to add recipes, meal ideas, and much more, all under one amazing app. This has really helped me boost my online business and revenue.
In our next example, a small hotel owner needed an app built to allow people to book tables at his restaurant. With Zapable, he was able to build an app that allowed people to select their preferred date and time, simply enter their mobile number, and Zapable would send a confirmation text message of their booking. Over 90% of Paul's booking came from the app, and he even sent us a video testimonial.
Hi guys, quick video testimonial for Andrew and Chris Fox on the new Zapable. I own a hotel here in England, and as you can see we are absolutely packed outside due to the COVID regulations. I'm just going to quickly grab one of our customers because 90% of these people have actually used the new app to book their table. So Stephen, So you use the app to book the table tonight?
Yeah, booked the table through the app tonight. Super easy to use, brilliant. Sent me a text message to let me know we're all okay. Keep using it.
Fantastic. Well done, guys. Really appreciate it.
It's easy to see why we have over 300 customer success stories who use Zapable to sell mobile apps like crazy. Regular people. Look, very little tech experience. First timers, yet so many having huge success. Let's show a quick example of a restaurant app built by Zapable. You can add in-app menus, means it minimizes touching physical items to maintain health and hygiene. Takeaway food ordering. We link into all major providers like Grubhub, Deliveroo, Just Eat and many more. Track and trace. Record your customers' details when they come in, which is mandatory law in some countries. Digital loyalty card. Allow customers to scan QR codes to access special promotions, discounts and encourage repeat business. Not only do we give you the amazing app builder, we also give you the ultimate done-for-you package to allow you to have your own instant mobile app business. Introducing the Zapable Agency Done For You package, the ultimate collection of tools that make selling apps super fun and easy. First, we will give you 5 amazing hot high converting landing pages to attract clients. We supply these in ClickFunnels, Divi, Elementor and WordPress format. Next, we give you 5 done for you videos in multiple niches to use as lead magnets. You can even brand these as your own. Place them on the landing pages we supply. Not sure what features to suggest to a client or what pricing to charge? We've got you covered. We give you sample pricing charts for what to charge clients for apps and what are fully customizable. Next, maybe you're unsure how to connect with business owners. Simply use our proven email connect scripts to cut and paste to prospect clients. Use our top 17 tips to get your clients' apps downloaded to make them think you're a marketing Jedi. We've literally thought of everything to make it super simple and easy for you. And with over 30 amazing features, Zapable can do anything, point and click simple.